Hello, this is Lana Tolbert with Lyanro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady, and today we're looking at a standing seam metal roof. We've been talking a lot about stone-coated steel, and this particular one will be exciting because this will be the first of many installments as we remove the standing seam roof and change it to a stone-coated steel. So when I say standing seam, I mean it's got a high hat and then it's flat and it's a painted metal. And you can see here that there are snow guards, and you have to have the snow guards when you do a painted steel roof because the snow will avalanche off. If the snow didn't have something to catch on here, it would take the gutters off or your decks off or whatever. And so you'll notice as we go through the process, when we do the stone coated steel, we won't have to do a snow guard. The thing about snow guards too, if you're a contractor and seeing this, you have to check with your insurance company to be sure that you have an engineered system because you're going to hold a lot of weight up here on the roof. These particular ones are kind of like a snow clip, and they have actually engineered snow guards. And if you want to know more about that, check S5's website. That's S5. So today we're learning about a standing seam metal roof. And as we go through, we'll have more clips. So thank you for joining this episode of A Standing Seam Metal Roof. Metal up with a Lyanro roof.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lyanro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.